Machine Learning Workflow, your journey from data to insight. Welcome, students, to the fascinating world of machine learning. Today, we'll embark on a journey through the machine learning workflow, the roadmap that takes us from raw data to valuable insights. Buckle up, because it's going to be an exciting ride. Stage 1. Data acquisition and preparation, the foundation. Just like building a house needs a sturdy foundation, our ML project needs a solid data foundation. This stage involves defining the problem. What are we trying to achieve? Is it predicting customer churn, detecting fraudulent transactions, or recommending products? Data collection. Where will we find the data? Internal databases, external sources, or even sensors can be your data treasure trove. Data cleaning. No data is perfect. Dealing with missing values, inconsistencies, and outliers is crucial for accurate results. Data exploration. Understanding the data's characteristics, patterns, and relationships is key for choosing the right tools and techniques. Stage 2. Feature engineering, shaping the clay. Think of features as the bricks and mortar of your ML model. This stage involves feature selection, choosing the most relevant and informative features from the data. Irrelevant or redundant features can hinder performance. Feature engineering. Sometimes, creating new features from existing ones can unlock hidden insights and improve model accuracy. Stage 3. Model training and evaluation, building the machine. Now, it's time to train our machine. This stage involves choosing an ML algorithm. Different algorithms are good at different things. Selecting the right one depends on the problem and the data. Training the model, feeding the prepared data to the algorithm and letting it learn. Think of it as teaching a student the patterns in the data. Evaluating the model. How well did our student learn? Metrics like accuracy, precision, and recall help us assess the model's performance. Stage 4. Hyperparameter tuning, fine-tuning the engine. Imagine hyperparameters as the knobs and dials on a machine. This stage involves adjusting hyperparameters. These are settings that influence the learning process of the algorithm. Tuning them can significantly improve model performance. Cross-validation. Splitting the data into training and testing sets ensures the model generalizes well to unseen data. Stage 5. Deployment and monitoring, putting the machine to work. Finally, it's time to unleash the power of our model. This stage involves deployment, integrating the model into a production environment where it can make real-world predictions. Monitoring. Keeping a close eye on the model's performance and retraining it as needed to ensure its accuracy and relevance. Remember, the ML workflow is iterative, meaning you can revisit and refine any stage as needed. Automation can be your best friend, especially for repetitive tasks like data cleaning and model training. Communication and collaboration are key. Working with domain experts and other data scientists can enrich your project. Now, it's your turn. Go explore the world of ML, experiment with different algorithms,